All right, welcome back. Today we minus $72, which is good. We are up a good amount, 600. So yeah, that's basically a break-even day. Technically not, but I'm counting it. It's not terrible. It's my least bad day yet, if that makes sense. All right, let's look at the chart. What I was doing today. The plan right here. I was gonna long after a breakout of this 5-minute fair value gap. Very messy because I leave everything on here. Market opener here, we come up and we shoot down. So I wanted to see a bounce off the fair value gap or a breakthrough up to here or up to here, which you can see we did get that come up, bounce down like I wanted. We took 2 winning trades and 2 losing trades. First losing trade. Originally I had this trend line. I had this trend line right here. So I thought that this broke past this and it had retraced, or it closed below here, and it retraced up and had some rejection. And so I got in right here expecting to target lows, the Asian lows and the London lows. Obviously that did not happen. We got a massive Drake candle, instantly stopped us all. That was minus like 330. Stop loss was a little bit larger than 300. So we had good patience, though. We waited. If you go in the 5-minute right here, I never took a long setup because on the 5-minute chart, 5-minute time frame, we never broke out of this fair value gap. And we had this SMT right here. Well, this is the ES, but you just gonna have to trust me on that. Go back to 1 minute. So on the 5-minute, we didn't break out right here, and we got the SMT, and so I was very bearish. We banged this trade right here. We broke out of this 1 minute after this SMT. You can see right here we got this retracement into this 1 minute right here, and then we got rejection off of that, so I bought in right here. What I've been doing is slowly trailing my stop loss, so I'm not getting maximum profits. I need to start taking profits at like 400 instead. I'm just getting like small $200, $150 trades because it's coming back and hitting my stop loss, which I think is gonna hurt me, slow me down. I start making my taking profits. So anyway, but this kind of helped right here because we ended up, well, this was like this. put this back how this was. You can see we kind of came close to this trend line, but came back up. And this is a trade my biggest trade today. So we had this large trend up, right? You can see 1, almost 2, 3, almost 4. We broke through this trend, broke structure. Right here, we broke structure. Oh, we broke structure right here. But you pushed all the way down. Hold on, here it is right here. So we broke structure. We broke past this trend line. And then we had a retrace. Retrace into a 1 minute for value gap right here. So, as the strategy says, break our structure on the 5 minute, retrace into a 1 minute. Exactly what we did here. I was going to wait until it retraced into this 1 minute for value gap, but it was already very bearish, and I think we're gonna keep that momentum going, and so I bought in after it hit this first fair value gap right here. It inversed it. No, it didn't inverse it. It just bounced off regularly. And then bang, we held this. This could have been a $1,000 trade. I did the trailing stop loss again, and so like I'm just slowly bringing the stop loss like this, and it ended up hitting like right here. So we're not maximizing profits. All day I was targeting lows right here, which we never hit. So that's why we didn't maximize, because we never hit a TP, to be honest with you. We just hit the trailing stop. So banged that trade. This trade, lost this trade. Here's what I saw in this trade. I saw a breaker block. Not a box, a breaker block. Here's what I saw. I need you to tell me if this is correct or not. Look, we go up, we make a low, we make a high, then we make a low, a high, lower low, higher high. Right here, shouldn't this be up? I mean, is that not a textbook breaker block right there? Guess not, because we did not bang this. Instantly stopped out. So that was unfortunate. Although it didn't lose much on this, only like $100. And we were already up like $300 on the day. So that wasn't too bad of a deal. Yeah, and that was the last. Oh wait, never mind. Here was the issue here. Actually this was big. what happened was I was extremely confident in this breaker block. So once I saw this rejection right here, I doubled down. I doubled down right here. So I went in 8 micros, which is almost a mini, almost 1 mini. And then, as you can see, we went down. Good thing I brought up my stop loss. So this is the big trade that we banged. Only $400 on that. That was only $400. That's crazy. And then we lost. What is that? 210. 210. We lost 300. We gained 90. We lost. No, I think I doubled down on another trade. I'm sorry, I'm struggling to remember what I doubled down. I also bought on this one, I think, twice, 8 contracts, 8 micros. And so when it came back down, it was negative on some of them. So it actually wasn't that positive. So we're down 300. We gained just a little bit back. We gain $470. So we're up like 100. And then we lose 100 something. So that's how it's at negative 70. So as you can see, what did I learn from today? Take profits. I mean, you want to hold the TP, but I haven't passed that challenge yet. So taking just consistent, winnable trades, consistent profits, gonna get me there. It's gonna get me there. So, like this could have been, if I was using my normal 3 minis. I mean, this is a $5,000 trade right here, maybe more. There to there, yeah, that's a very good trade. This is textbook right here. This is perfect. The 5-minute breaker structure, broke at the trend line, retracement into 1 minute. Lodi, this is perfect. I think that was all I traded on this one. I was like feeling antsy, so I went to the practice account and did this trade. Terrible trade. That's why I did it on practice. So that doesn't really matter because it wasn't legit. So that's what we learned today. Go to the journal. Was patient. Unrealistic expectations for take profit, like I said. Need to take the profits that are there. Instantly stopped out on the breaker block. You can see my trend line is incorrect, so I thought it broke out. It did not break out. The goated trade right here. Yeah, that's what I learned today. Looks like I took 2 screenshots of the same trade. No, I didn't. 1, 2, 3. Could have sworn there was 4. Yeah, that was today. Good risk management. We minimized losses. Kinda. I mean, we did lose on the day, but only 70. So we're all good. And that's gonna be all for today. Tomorrow we got some core retail sales at 7:30. That's before market opens, so that would be good actually. Maybe we can get some good a big reversal, big sweep of liquidity. If it goes super far up or super far down, that will be good. Usually do pretty good on those type of days. We do have my boy Powell speaking around lunch, 12:30. That is going to be a little bit of an issue. Might be an issue. I got classes all morning. What is it? We got all morning 2 tests. We might not trade tomorrow actually. We'll see. We might trade, we might not. We'll see tomorrow if I do a recap or not. Yeah, that's gonna be all for this video though. Great trade. Please leave tips in the comments, please, because I'm terrible at trading and I want to get better. That's gonna be everything though. See you later.